Welcome to Saba Academy. My name is Freebody and I'll be your tutor for today. So in today's session, we'll be looking at drawing the true shape of any figure or any plane. So the steps for drawing the true shape requires you to draw the edge view of the plane first. So if you remember from a previous exercise we did, we obtained this edge view. So what you are going to do is you are going to project this edge view to get a true shape. Okay, we're going to project the edge view to get a true shape. So the first thing to do is to project our auxiliary projectors that are perpendicular to the edge view. So I'll just do 90 degrees at all points. So 90 degrees at B, 90 degrees at A, and then 90 degrees at C. Alright, so now I can have my secondary auxiliary plane. That will be x2, y2. So I'll take some distance, let me say 30 millimeters from from the edge view of ABC to be used as my auxiliary or my secondary auxiliary plane x2, y2. So this is my x2, y2. Now at this point, all you have to do is to come to x1, y1, and then measure distances between each point to x1, y1 along their projectors. So just as we measured x and y from ABC, we'll do same with ABC from x1, y1, right? So at point C, I have some 2.9 centimeters away from point C. Right, 2.9 centimeters away from point C. So the best thing to do is to use your compass. Okay. So that's 2.C. So on the projector of C, I have that intersection there. And then from X, Y, all the way to A. X1, Y1 to A. So along the projector of A, come this way. I make its intersection as well. And then X1, Y1 to B. X1, Y1 to B. And then I transfer that as well. So I just need to complete A. Right, and the intersection here too. Right, so this is point B, this is point C, and then this is point A. So if I join all three, get the true shape of ABC. Yeah, so I get the true shape of the figure or the plane ABC. Okay, so just for precision or accuracy's sake, let's just measure the true length of BC. So the true length of BC over here is some 68.5. So I'm getting 68.5 millimeters. For AC, I'm getting some 76.5. And then for BA, BA. I'm getting 65. Yeah, so that does it for drawing the true shape. Okay, so like I said, we start with drawing the edge view. So in the steps for drawing an edge view, you create a line parallel to the mutual, right? You project that and get its true length. Then you project parallel to that true length line to get your edge view. Then once you get your edge view, you project perpendicular to that edge view, and then you get your x2, y2. Then you can measure your distances and then finally get your true shape of ABC. Right, so thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, like it. If you like this channel, you can also subscribe, and then don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you.